Ghana card, yes. If you have Ghana card, you can also access.
No. We what's our kakabesi normal so. I do say Ghana card ya and yenuanom so ma kwete stubborn academy.
So that is a plus. Ghana card you know we okay a plus.
Akoma
I know na make
87.9 Kumasi.
So yen train and see whether it's going to be free during the implementation stage. It will never be free. You wait and see. You wait and see. Ukuta Ghana card now the koya na ma ba mo hear me. Let's wait and see if it's going to be free. A free a bear me depa, but it can never be free.
A free a bear out there.
But it can never be. Because your services you have to pay for.
Okay. 87.9 Kumasi.
Any honorable Kofi Amankwa menu ena aiding come. Enche be we nkon in fa nanka ye hyase ntem. But answer na ye be we no. Ashanti region. Because a strong men now omo the minority, especially from the Ashanti region, who can be?
Oh there, I'm humbled.
Yeah.
I'm humbled. Me that's it.
Who can be?
Me that's it.
Because mo kasa a kwachiri.
Me that's it.
But there ba koye
Akoma
development in the Ashanti region.
87.9 Kumasi.
We are convinced with Nchichirimu aba regards to Swami Interchange. Ebe 3 tier instead of 4. Na 1 sikano de according to the minister oba menshia de be 2 menshia ni say sikano nya de so mo kaso mu yiskani bi afri so akoba bia na emumu no omo de sika e ka ombe bo ba akọ no ho amana e4 no e kwa koye outer ring road say de be ya e be easy pressure traffic within Kumasi, Greater Kumasi. Into wo bana wo say wo call offense so wo call tetima wo call tamale na woni bibia ye within Kumasi. There's no need so be fa into bema pressure na ke beba be pile up ewo swame no abafom. This is one thing because abafo for no mo say minority no na mo happy, but this is Nchirimu minister no ediaba ewo Swami Interchange. Any other development that goes within the region,
the minority is still not happy. We are not happy. Is Kumasi not deserving of a 4th year? We are still not happy. Enti minye. Na sa the laudable idea say ye kwa koye sa the ring road no. Ya pisika edia ye. Can't we do it? And I say ye we are not deserving of a 4th year. If that is the explanation the minister is giving, then fair enough. Ashanti region, you are not deserving of it. Nemum ebi omfu say omoye a favor. So if we are not deserving of it, fine. And that big pushy. Akoye so source and honsem tedwe. We share a road ewo your friend is saying sa road ya president akoye first year ye de your friend is saying your man expedition sa road no. We share the amount of road sika ye invest in that road. Nasa wo share yes ye rehabilitation of the road. We share rehabilitation of the amount involved now as against the real construction of the road. Sa sika ye de rehabilitation no. Far outweighs your friend is saying that which was used in the main construction work.
Okay.
And it's all catch me say Ashanti region ye be 40 and I say ye tiso edi akoye ring road. I don't understand. Ye beti me aye find the money to do the ring road. I am all for the ring road. I am all for it. In fact, there is one thing let me give to this government. I will give to them. The use of the military in helping in road construction, I will give it to them.
Okay.
Yes, so this is good move because it is something I always believed in it. I have always believed, and in fact, it was something. Many minister pushy, but we couldn't cross the line.
Okay.
And for them to cross the line, for me, that is a plus.
Okay.
But to say, Jumawaha, Tesodie. No, Asante is deserving of the 4th year.
Arabo, I better say.
Yes, my dad.
na
Akoma
ibiri sɛ
FM
kɔmɔnde aka mi
87.9
bi
Kumasi.
Yo, Mate.
unuaba ɛgye so MC
Madam Chairman.
ɛna wabɛduru nti ɔsɛ ɔde no de
You're
deɛ
from
to ase
Kofi Amankwame. Adwocha. Hey, minimum maybe adwo. What's the matter?
oh yeah the member of parliament for Achimako Agoma yes former defense deputy